Hi, my name is Jane Dales-Kahn. I'm a designer here at Inspired Closets, but I want to show you what else we do, because we do a lot more than closets. This is a beautiful wall entertainment unit. This has shelves along with flutes, kind of sectioning off each section, and some gorgeous shaker cabinet doors with this brushed bronze hardware that is so popular right now. I think so many people out there are dreaming of building a beautiful, functional laundry room. This one is amazing. It has plenty of room for a washer and dryer that sits on the floor. We also do stackables. And then the beautiful shelves. This particular material is called Morning Mist. Everything you need to create a beautiful, functional laundry room. Last but not least is our garage. Slat wall here for all your accessories, and of course the workbench area. This beautiful maple thick top is just the pièce de résistance, isn't it? So remember, our name may be Inspired Closets, but we do a lot more than closets. I would love to help you with whatever organizational project you have. Book a consultation.